Carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl group is a carbon atom double bonded to an oxygen atom. So we'll have the oxygen atom double bonded to a carbon atom, and that is a carbonyl group. Now, when a carbonyl group is bonded to different parts of an organic compound, it creates different, and it's named different things. So aldehyde is an aldehyde is an organic compound that contains the carbonyl group, but at the end of a carbon skeleton. A ketone is an organic compound that contains a carbonyl group, but is bonded to two other carbon atoms. And an ester is an organic compound that contains a carbonyl group bonded to a carbon and oxygen atom. So esters are the carbonyl group to a carbon and an oxygen. Ketone is the carbonyl group to two other carbons, and aldehyde is at the end of a carbon skeleton. So let's take a look. This is the functional group, the carbonyl group. Here is its structure. So these all have carbonyl groups because they are all carbonyl compounds. So ketone, ester, and aldehyde. Now, what we can see is that for an aldehyde, the oxygen is connected to the end of a chain. So this is the end of a chain that it's connected to. A ketone is attached to two carbons, and an ester is attached to an oxygen and another carbon. So that is the basic structure for each of them. So you have to be able to recognize them so you can tell the difference between a ketone, ester, and aldehyde that all have carbonyl groups.